Hello guys, this is Lahari Karmuru and I am a computer science engineering student in JNTU Anantapur. In this session I am going to discuss about counting nodes of a binary tree. Let's start with a brief introduction about the binary tree. Binary tree. A binary tree is a special type of tree in data structure in which each parent node can have at most two children. That is, each parent in a tree may consist of either zero child or one child or two children. These are the example for a binary tree. How to represent them? Have a look. Hope all you know about how to create a node, how to create the node in a binary tree. This is a program about how to create a binary tree nodes. Just have a look for it. Yes, let's go to the main topic about counting nodes in a binary tree. How to count, how to know the number of nodes present in a binary tree. Let us see with an example how to calculate the sum starting from the root node, including root itself, add 1 and count number of nodes that are present on the left subtree and the number of nodes present on the right subtree. It gives hence the sum gives the number of nodes that are present in a binary tree. Let us see how it works. This is the code for the counting the number of nodes in a binary tree. Let us see by tracing it with an example. Here I am using the recursive function to solve the program very easily. Let us work on it. Here the pointer pointing towards the root node, that is, we know the topmost node of the tree is called as root node. Here root node is pointing towards the node 1, hence it stores the address of the node 1. Hence it is not it checks the condition of if condition, it becomes false and just it goes to else part and it returns some value, that is including for root itself, add 1 plus and also count its left subtree nodes and count number of left subtree nodes that are present. Hence it now the pointer pointing towards the root, due to we are going to use recursion function, it points to root of its left subtree, hence it points to root of the left subtree that is consisting of node, that is node 2. So it's now the root stores the address of the node 2, hence it is not equals to null. The condition becomes false and returns to the else part. It returns some value, that is it returns some value, hence including itself and also count number of nodes that are present on the its left subtree. Now the pointer pointing towards the node, that is node 4, hence the root point to the node 4, hence if condition becomes false and returns to the else part, hence it returns some value, that is including itself, add 1 and its left subtree. It doesn't consist of any child, hence take it as a null. Now the root becomes null, the if condition becomes true and returns the value of 0. Now it goes to the left subtree, hence that is also not present on the of the root, hence it is also going to take root as a null and returns the value 0. Hence the three conditions make the sum of the three conditions, that becomes 1 and the node 4 returns to the its parent node, that is 1. Now the node 2 going to check its left subtree having number of nodes. Now the root points to the node 5, hence it is not equals to null. then goes to else part and returns some value, that is including itself 1, and count number of nodes that are present on the left side, that it consists of a node, then pointer pointing towards the node 6. Now here also root is not equals to null becomes false, and go to the else part and return some value, that is including itself, and also now it checks how many number of the number of nodes that are present on the left subtree, that is nothing is present, then it takes as a root as a null. The if condition becomes true and returns the value 0. Now it checks the root of the right subtree, that is no nodes are present on the right side, then it takes root as a null and condition becomes true and returns the value 0. The sum becomes 1 and it returns the value to its parent node, that is 1. Now the node 5 going to check its root subtree, right side of the subtree. Here no nodes are present, hence it returns null, pointer pointing towards the null, and the if condition becomes true and returns value 0. The sum becomes 2. It returns to the value to its parent node, that is 2. Now the sum become 4. It returns to its parent node, that is 4. Now the root node going to check its right subtree, how many nodes are present. Now the pointer pointing towards the node 3. It check here the root node is not equals to null, hence go to else part, returns including itself, add 1 and count its left subtree, that is no nodes are present, just take pointer point to the null, and if condition become true and returns 0 value. Here now it check the right subtree, hence nodes are not present, and now pointer pointing towards the null. The if condition become true, again we get returns the 0 value. The sum becomes 1. It returns the value to its parent node, that is +1. The sum becomes 6. The nodes are present in a binary tree is 6. This is how to calculate the counting number of nodes present in a binary tree. Thank you.